Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the latest episode on the SKoda network. In this video we're going to show you a really short demonstration on the AUTEL MD808 PRO kit. Now this kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put a link to where you can pick this up on our website down below the video in the description. I'll also put a link to where you can pick it up on Amazon. I'll also put a link to the latest blog post for this tool, which gives you all of the latest hints, tips, reviews and guides. So we're in an Audi right now, and you can see we've got the traction control and the ABS warning light showing on the dashboard. Now we've got this tool plugged into the OBD2 port, and we're just going to click on to scan, select our manufacturer, which in this case is right at the start, it's Audi, and we're going to select the braking system, the ABS braking system, to find out what the fault code was. There's a few different ways to do it, or select the system. Here we are at the ABS brake system here. So we go to read fault codes. It's giving us two fault codes: 00290 left rear ABS wheel speed sensor electrical malfunction in circuit. So the other fault is a byproduct of this fault here, because we've done a live data test on the actual wheel speeds, and it's not giving us any values for the rear left, so we know there's a problem with the rear left ABS sensor. So we put a new ABS sensor in, simple as that really. Codes are still there, the warning lights are still there, but once we click on erase codes, we should be able to get rid of the warning lights. Now they won't necessarily go out straight away, but it's telling us the codes have been reset, so once we start backing out of the braking system on this tool, we should see the warning lights disappear. Let's see what we've got. And there we go, the warning lights have gone. That's because the parking brake's on. But yeah, that's all because of the AUTEL MD808 PRO kit, which covers a wide range of vehicles, a wide range of systems, a wide range of functions. It's a really good high-level tool for anybody who needs it. As I say though, the tool is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put the link to this kit in the description below the video. I'll also put a link to where you can pick it up on Amazon, and I'll put a link to the latest blog post on this tool, which gives all of the latest hints, tips, reviews and guides. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.